math rock stars. Let's get rolling today and get this lesson going. We are on 12, okay? 12. Let's go. We have been doing amazing. You guys have been adding two-digit numbers that are tens. You've added two-digit numbers that have tens and ones. Today, I think we're going to add two-digit numbers that have tens and ones in both. Y'all are adding big numbers. I'm so proud of you. Let's get started. Okay. I can add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digit have a sum less than or equal to 10. Not 12. We're doing 10, not 12. Okay. So let's get our brains warmed up. You know what we got to do? We got to, hello, here. We got to become number detectives. All righty, here we go. Kiana wants to have 14 stickers in her folder. She needs 6 more stickers to make her goal. How many stickers does she have right now? Okay. Read that one more time because I don't think my brain processed all that. Kiana wants to have 14 stickers in her folder. She needs 6 more stickers to make her goal. How many stickers does she have right now? Okay, let's go line by line and see what we know. We know that Kiana wants to have 14 stickers in her folder. So is that her total or her part? That's how many she wants total. So let's do this 2 ways. I'm going to make a tape diagram. Might need to make that a little bigger. I don't know yet. And let's also make a number sentence as we do it. We know the total is going to be 14. Okay. She needs 6 more stickers to make her goal. Okay. Let's draw out 14 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So we have 14. We know that she needs 6 more stickers. So here's 6. I'll draw a line right here. She needs 6 more to make her goal. So one of them is 6. Let's see. 6 plus something equals 14. So how many stickers does she already have? We know that she wants to have 14 and she needs 6 more. So how many does she have? Let's look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 8 stickers right now. So let's count and see. Does 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. She has 14 stickers if she has 8 stickers altogether, and then she gets 6 more, she'll have 14. So how many stickers does she have right now? She has 8 stickers right now. Did we solve it? Let's go back and look. Did we answer the question? How many stickers does she have right now? She has 8 stickers right now. Did we draw a picture story? Yeah. Do we run a number sentence? Yeah. Does that mean we solve the case? Case closed. We solved this mystery case. We know that she has 8 stickers right now. If she adds 6 more stickers, then she will have a total of 14 stickers. Good job, my math detective. Brace your boards, because now you're going to have to get your brain warmed up even more. You are going to have a sprint in today's lesson. I don't know which one you're going to get. So be careful. You may have to find the total. You may have to find the part. You may find the whole. I don't know. You may add. You may subtract. Be careful. Watch your signs. Watch where your equal signs are. Okay. Set your timer for 2 minutes. Pause this video. Go do it for 2 minutes. Get as many as you can get done correctly. Then don't turn it in yet. Okay. Don't turn it in yet. Come back to the video. We'll do the problem set and exit ticket. Then you can turn it in. Okay, so pause your video, go work on it, come back to me. If you need more time, hit pause right now. If you don't, you should have a whiteboard and a marker or a piece of paper and something to write on because you are going to be solving it too. I'm not the only one doing it. You are too. I know how to do it. You are the one learning how to do it. So you got to write it out too. All right, let's get started. We're with Miss Curry today. Here we go.
Hi friends, it's Mrs. Curry.
Hey, Miss Curry.
Today, we are going to be solving two-digit problems. For this lesson, we get to decide what strategy we'd like to use to solve the problem. We might all solve differently, and that's okay. It will be fun to compare and see how our thinking is connected. Here are some materials that might be helpful to you. Push pause now and gather any materials that you think will be helpful for solving two-digit addition problems. If you don't have any of these, that's okay. You can use your whiteboard and whiteboard marker to make drawings. Push pause now, and I'll be here when you get back.
All right, friends, I don't have a Reckon Rec anymore. I had to return it to one of the first grade teachers. I don't have any more linking cubes. I had to return those to first grade teachers. They're using them too. And I don't have a tens and ones place value chart. But guess what I have? I have a marker and I have a whiteboard. So I'm going to use my marker and whiteboard to draw out everything we're doing today. Okay, so you can do that too. Ready? Let's go.
Welcome back. Let's jump right in.
Let's do it.
Our first problem to solve is 24 plus 13. Can you write that on your whiteboard with me now?
24 plus 13.
Let's do the first one together. We have so many tools in our tool belt. What would be an efficient strategy for solving 24 plus 13?
We know a lot of different strategies. I personally like to draw it out or use a place value chart.
Oh, so many
like
great ideas. My personal favorite is the make 10 strategy because 10 is my favorite number. It's a really helpful number when we're solving math problems. But when I look at this problem,
Can't really make 10, can you?
24 isn't really close to 30. And 13 is also not very close to 20. If it was 28 or 29, then the make 10 strategy would be great. But I don't know if that's the most efficient strategy for this problem. We could count on from 24, but counting on 13 is a lot. So I'm not going to use that strategy either. This is a strategy we could use, thinking cubes.
We can draw it out.
Here I'm showing 2 10s, 4 1s. That's 24. And here I'm showing 1 10, 3 1s. That's 13. Do you remember what the strategy is called when we break up one of the add-ins into 10s and 1s? And then we take the 10s and add it over to the other add-in?
We add 10 first.
It's called add the 10s first. Well, that seems like a logical name. So 24 plus 10 equals
34.
34. When we add 110, the only digit that changes is the digit in the tens place. It went from 2 to 3. That's showing 110 more. Now we just have to add the leftover ones.
We know that that's 7.
What is 34 plus 3 more?
7. 37.
37. Great job. What's another strategy I could use?
What if we add the 10s and
We
then
can
the
think
1s?
of 24 as 20 and 4. And we can think of 13 as 10 and 3.
We can add those.
Make your whiteboard look like my whiteboard. We get our tens first. 20 plus 10. What does that equal?
30.
30. And our ones, 4 and 3.
No, that's 7.
What does that equal? 7. And what is 30 plus 7?
37.
37. That's a great strategy for solving this problem. Clear your boards. The next problem we're going to solve is 54 plus 13. Write that on your whiteboard. Whenever I come to a problem, my brain just starts thinking, I could do it this way, I could do it this way, I could do it this way, I could do it this way. What's the most efficient strategy? Let me think about what I should do. Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Curry's brain thinking out loud to you. One way I know I can solve it is making quick 10 drawings. It would look like this. 54 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. And 13, that's 10, 11, 12, 13. This is one way I could solve it. But I could also solve it the way we did the last problem, by adding tens first and then the ones. I can break apart 54 into 50 and 4, because that's my 5 tens and 4 ones. I can also break apart 13 into its tens, there's 1 of them, and its ones, there are 3 of them. Then I can add my tens first, 50 plus 10, and then whatever I get, I can add the ones to. 4 plus 3 is 7. And that should give me my answer. These are the ways my brain thinks about the problem. How does your brain think about it? Pause the video and work this problem out on your own. Push pause now.
Okay, I want you to figure out the best way for you. Okay, I'm going to leave these 2 up and let's finish this. So I can count 5 tens, 6 tens, and 4 ones and 3 more ones make 7 ones. So I have 67. Now, another way my brain works, and your brain might not work the same way, but that's okay because you have other ways you can do this. My brain looks at it in a place value chart, and I say, here's my tens, here's my ones, and I'm going to say 54, 5, 4 ones, and 13, 1, 10, and 3 ones, and I'm going to add those 2 columns together. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 1 is 6, 67. So that's my brain. My brain works like this too. So I want you to pick a strategy and work on it. I want you to pause the video because I'm going to go ahead and push play. But I want you to pause the video, figure out a strategy that works the best for you and solve this problem. Oops.
Welcome back. Turn and tell a partner how you solved it, or say it out loud to me.
I used a place value chart and added my ones, tens.
I noticed when I went to solve this problem that our last problem, 24 plus 13, is very similar. Both problems are adding 13. And 24 plus 3 tens gives us 54. So I thought, could I just add 3 tens to 37? Yeah, that gives me 67. Is that what you got?
That's what we got.
Let's try another. The next problem we're going to solve is 23 plus 57. Write that on the whiteboard now. Two-digit addition is really fun because there are so many different strategies like this. Push pause and use any strategy you like to solve 23 plus 57. And then push play, ready to check your answer. Push pause now.
Okay, so there are so many strategies we know right now. Draw quick tens and ones. We could make 10. We could add tens and ones. We could use place value chart. We could do all of these. Pick the one that works for you, okay? I'm going to show you all 4 different ways. So it might take a minute. So if you don't want to hear me do all 4 different ways, you can pause the video, check yourself, or do it yourself, and then come back and check, okay? So if you don't want to do that, just keep working. All right, so I'm going to do the quick 10 and ones way first. Quick 23 is 2 tens and 1, 2, 3 ones. 57 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I'm going to count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait a second, guys. So let's redo this. Make it a little bigger. 2 tens and 3 ones. And 5 tens and 7 ones. Now I'm going to take these 3 ones and put them over here. 1, 2, 3, because they just made 10 and I can make a line through it. Now I have 6 tens, 7, 8. 8 tens. 8 tens is the value of T. All right, that's one way. Let's do another one. 23 plus 57. I'm going to do my place value chart this time. I'm going to do it the way I like to do it. Tens and ones. I'm going to put 2 tens, 3 ones, 5 tens, 7 ones. Now, friends, remember what I said. We're going to add them up. So 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 5 plus 2 equals 7. Can I leave it like that? No. Remember, when we have a 10 over here, I got to kick it over here. And that gives me 8 tens and 0 ones. Same thing I got here. Now that one's a little trickier to do. Whoops. But if you still want to try it, that's okay. All right, let's look at another way. Let's do the make 10. Okay, so make 10. So I know that I need 3 more to make a 10. So let's break this apart to 20 and 3. I'm going to say 57 and 3. 57 plus 3 equals 60. And then I'm going to say 60 plus 20 equals 80. Okay, that's the make 10. The last one I'm going to show you is where we add the tens and the ones. So I'm going to break this into 20 and 3. Break this into 50 and 7. I'm going to add my tens first. 20 plus 50 equals 70. And then I'm going to say 7 plus 3 equals 10. And 70 plus 10, whoops, equals 80. Okay, all of them got the same answer, just different ways. So let's go back with Miss Curry.
Tell me the strategy you used to solve the problem.
What did you guys choose? Because remember, I showed you 4 different ways.
Hey, look who it is. Issa came to share her thinking with us.
Hey, Issa.
Issa, show us how you solved.
When I first
she
looked
did
at
this
the
way.
problem, I broke 23 into 20 and 30, and 57 into 50 and 7. I could see that 3 ones and 7 ones is 10 ones, or 110. Then I could add 20 plus 50, which is 70, plus 110 more to get 80.
Thank you for sharing, Issa. I just love hearing how your brain was thinking about this problem.
You're welcome. I solved it in another way too, because whenever I finished early, I tried to challenge myself to solve another way, not only to check my answer, but to see if I can find a more efficient strategy.
That's a neat challenge for yourself. I'd love to hear your thinking and which strategy you find more efficient.
I saw that 57 is really close to 60. I just need 3 more. I can get 3 from 23. So my new simpler problem is 60 plus 20, which is 80. This is the more efficient strategy for me because it's really quick and easy for me to keep track of how I took 3 from 23 and gave it to 57. Class, what do you think? Which of my 2 strategies is easier for you?
Which one? Did you, either one of you, or did anybody do either one of those?
You guys have done a fantastic job solving 2-digit addition. It's time now for the problem set. Your must-do problems are 1, A through H, and 2, E and F. Say it with me. Do your very best thinking for 10 minutes, and if there's time left over, do any of the other problems. You all have been fantastic. I love talking math with you today. I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye, Miss Curry. Okay, let's look. Oh, gotta pause the music. Okay, here we go. Now let's look at our problem set. Now you are to do, can't talk. You're gonna do 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay, you see all of these? You are gonna pick the strategy that works the best for you to solve the problem. Now, can you just put an answer on it and be done with it? No, I need to see your thinking. Okay, so let's go with 1A. Let's look at 1A. 84 plus 12. What is the easiest way for you to solve that? Whatever strategy is the easiest for you, write it down on your paper. It might be the easiest for you to draw it out. 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, 4 ones, 1 10, 2 ones. Now I can say 8, 9, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, that might be the easiest strategy for you. Your easiest strategy might be to break it down into tens and ones. 84, 10, 2. Add up my 80 plus 10 equals 90. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 90 plus 6 equals 96. Find the strategy that works best for you. I got to see your work, okay? If I'm not seeing your work, I'm going to send it back to you and tell you to do it again. You got to get it done the right way. I need to see work. I don't want to see just solving, okay? So you're going to do 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Let's look at numbers 2, E, and F. Let's go down here to number 2. Same thing, only you're going to do E and F, okay? See if you can solve with using the best strategy you know how, okay? need to see your work. Oop, I need to see your work. Show me your thinking on your paper. I know some of you can do it in your head, but I still want to see your thinking on your paper. Okay? Okay. All right. Do 1 A through H, 2 E and F, exit ticket. Make sure you've turned in your sprint with it. Okay? Turn your sprint in all together. So turn everything in all together. I will look at it. If you have questions, message me, email me, get a hold of me some way. Okay? I'll help you out. I'll see y'all next lesson. Bye, friends.